welcome back. Thanks for tuning in again. You can see the exhaust is here for the Bronco, so we're gonna do an unboxing video just to show you exactly what you get. This is the 4-door version, but no matter what you buy from AWE, you get the same thing. I'll show you what I mean once we get it open. So let's pop her open and show you what you get. So this is the same exhaust that I had on the Mustang, and same thing, it comes packed up really well. You get all the cardboard on top, so nothing wiggles around, nothing will be dented or scratched up once you start peeling this stuff open. All right, underneath the first layer you get your rear portion. This is the exhaust pipes. This is the dual exhaust. You can get this in single exhaust as well, but we went dual exhaust. This is the full catback as well, so it'll be all the way from your cat's back, and you can see they cover up all the tips and stuff, give you your extra brackets. You'll see all that on the install video, but everything is solid in the box. Nothing wobbles, nothing's damaged. Everything stays round to make the install as easy as it can get. And then after you get to the third layer, what you have is your resonator. That's the first part you'll need. Your over the axle pipe is the part with the big hump. This is only if you have the 4-door version. That's the extension to make up for the extra length. If you're doing this on a 2-door, you will get this part, but just don't put it on, you won't need it. And then this piece, last but not least, you can see it has their logo and everything on it. Is up to you whether you're going to put this on or the tips. What it is their bash guard. This will go on the back to replace your tips. So basically we can take that part off, put this part on, and then if you're going off-road or hardcore, anything where you're worried about smashing up the tips and bending things in the back, this tucks up under the vehicle, and you just take off the rear portion, put this piece on, and you don't have to worry about wrecking the nice tips or the rear end of your exhaust. And then last but not least with this system is the tips. We do have the dual tips, so you get two. This is the chrome black. Pull them out, you can see they're nice, solid. That'll go on last. And in here as well is your hardware to put everything on. A little sticker if that's your thing. Instructions, you can just scan the code. A couple more nuts and bolts for that stuff. And then with all your AWE, you do get your blow pop. So that's the best part of the whole thing. All right, so there you go. That's all you get, a whole box of cardboard and 5 little chunks of pipe and your tips. Dual exhaust. If you're single exhaust, you won't obviously have the 2. It'll be a little different, but overall the same. So we're gonna get to installing this now. So if you wanna see it on here and how it sounds, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.